In this video there will be some tips to help you get sub 20. Okay, so before starting I would like to tell that make sure you know OLL and most of the PLs, if not all of them, because otherwise you are not for this level. Go and learn the PLs and then you will be good to go. So tip number 1 is solve the cross efficiently. So what I mean by solving the cross efficiently is what you can do is you can plan the you can just learn a few tips. So I'll give a link in the description for any JPerms or any other top keywords video about cross tips, so you can watch that and then you can come this. But right now I'm doing an example solve. So here is the edge connected. So what I'll do is its opposite edge is orange green, so I'll insert the green, so it'll be opposite to each other. Here is green and here is blue. So I'll just instead of inserting this, I'll insert this one first with F2, so it'll be in the correct color scheme because green's right is orange. So if here I have a case, so I want to insert this. So what usually people will do is they'll just take out the edge, which is a very bad thing, and then just do F2. Instead what you should do is either do this move like this D2 by moving the cross, means it was in this position, you need to get this free. So by doing a D2 you get it free, and then after you make the cross you can just align it. And if that seems very slow for you, what you can do is you can just do an F2 R prime F2 and then the same thing, and then after you make the cross we can align it. So number 2, F2L Lookahead. So F2L Lookahead is the most among all of these things because this takes a lot of practice. And so for improving your F2L Lookahead, I'll definitely make a video, but for now what you can do to improve your F2L Lookahead is you can just slow down your solves and plan here how the moves will affect the pieces. So here let's do a Lookahead solve. So I can just insert this and this. So I'll look ahead at this one. So I saw that, so now it'll be in my position, and then this one same thing, and there you go, it'll be done. So what I mean to say is you have to just slow down your solves, and if you still face problem you can ask in the comment section. I'll give few links. Okay, so the next tip is drill your algorithms to become more consistent. So what you can do is there are many risky algorithms which includes the D and D prime like GPerms or the A perms. So let's take an example. So this case, so you have two diagonal corners to be swapped. So what usually people will do is they'll be in a hurry and they'll just do this as an invalid move. So that'll be an invalid move if they do it like this. So if you are more attentive and do the first move comfortably, then the next few moves will be very easy like this. So I cannot do that faster, but when I'm going really fast I can do that. So there are many other algorithms as well, like the let me just show you. So this includes the D move. So what usually people will do, they'll go in a hurry and then they'll just mix it like this, and then like this. So they have to make the cube in a correct posture, and then they have to do that again. So what usually you can do is you can just go a little bit slow, not much, but like this. So that's a lot faster. That's not slow as well. Number 4, plan further in inspection. So this is also a hard task, but you can do it with practice, as this takes a lot of practice. So what you can do, so for planning out your things, what you can do is you can just reduce your inspection time to 25 seconds or 30 seconds, or if you still find it hard, don't worry, it will come with practice. It doesn't come naturally. So here the cross, I've just done the hand scramble here. So here the cross can be very easy, and you have to track how the pieces are going to be affected to each other. So I'll track this. So I'll do a U2, then this R prime to get this like this. So I just do a D prime, so they will be affected like this. So this will be easy to pair, and then I'll do D and F2 and then D2. So I'll look ahead at this one. So now I'll just see this and I'll do this, and then you can just plan out your next few things in the look ahead, and then you will be good to go. Last, have a good cube. So this is just on spending money, how much you can spend. If you can get the GANS, that's okay, or if you cannot afford that costly cube, so you can just purchase the MF3RS or the Veilong GTS. No, the Veilong GTS is a bit costlier. So the lowest price tag cube that I will say is the Usual Lil Magic. That's just 319 rupees, and if you go a little bit above, so you can purchase this MF3RS for 650 rupees from cubelelo.com. So these are the few important tips that you need to know. So hope you like the video, and if this helps you, then please like the video, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and meet you in the next video.